Hello, beautiful people. This afternoon, I share with you the famous Ghanaian plantain fufu with chicken lice soup. Carissimi amici, oggi vi faccio vedere come si fa il famoso platano fufu con zuppa, ok? Zuppa con la gallina, non col pollo. Va bene? Dai, vieni con me che ti faccio vedere. Abusiafo, intiene die, ewiei. Se fufu pa ne Ghana lice soup papa bi. Yemfa nhyehyɛ so what I say. Aha. Start by cleaning your hard chicken. Emphasis on hard chicken. This is not to say you can't use soft chicken. But if you want to make it the Ghanaian way, then please, you have to use hard chicken. Clean your chicken nicely, okay? Remove all the feathers and the yellowish part and everything off. Okay, so once that is done, add your seasoning of choice. Because I want it to be authentic, I added only 1 sachet of Remy chicken spices. Use any natural spices that you have. Abutrasem, yeah, edim. Aha, and then okay, e aggiungi le cipolle tagliate, cioè a pezzettini, ma proprio a pezzettini, ok? Ti gene no chucha nkiti ne faccio nam ne ho kama. And then add your tomato puree and the kasam de frafra. What I say? Aha. Add your tomato puree. Don't rush this soup, okay? Remember, we are using hard chicken. If care is not taken, you're going to end up with hard protein in a well-cooked soup. So then I'm gonna say, what I say? That's not what we want, okay? So go ahead and then blend 2 onions, medium-sized, with the quantity of habanero peppers you want, okay? So the heat is to your preference. And then add a thumb size of ginger. You can't do without ginger. I'm so sorry. I mean, it's fresh, okay? Aha. So once that is blended with no bits in, add it to your protein, to your hard chicken. Go ahead and add 2 fresh tomatoes and a medium-sized onion. So together we've added 3 onions, 1 white one and then 2 red ones. Add your salt to taste. Add basil. I'm sure you saw it because I showed it. But I'm going to add it again. So basil or basil, pronunciation. Akokomesa. In Chi we say akokomesa, and akoko is chicken. You can't make chicken soup without adding basil, or akokomesa. What do I say? Aha, cover and allow this to simmer nicely. Remember, we are cooking the hard chicken, okay? Once your vegetables soften up, remove them, allow them to cool before you blend them. This is going to help your blender as well. No rushing, as I said earlier. Transfer everything to your pot, dilute with water, and allow this to cook, okay? Check on it from time to time, all right? This is not stew, so don't worry, you don't have to sit in the kitchen, okay? And then, when you realize it's too thick, please feel free to dilute it again because it's called light soup. Go ahead and add your okra. If you'll be enjoying it with fufu, which is what I'm going to do in this video, add more peppers for heat, which is what I did. And I also added chunks, big chunks of carrots because my princess loves to munch on them. I mean, carrots are healthy, right? And I didn't want to blend and add them in because it was going to ruin the authenticity of the soup. Hey, Charlie, this soup, and if you've not noticed, this is one of the new pots. The pot we unboxed a few days ago. So do check it out. Please, I forgot to say in that video, it's an unpaid promo. It's just my personal experience. Don't go and buy it because of me, but I will recommend it. Please don't forget to subscribe. Look at how inviting this soup is. It was thick, so I diluted it a little bit. I allowed it to simmer. Please, from 9, the highest level that my stove can get to, I reduced it to I think 5 or 6. Just look at how the soup is souping. It was here. A boss ye be nedi wate. We could see a dano pawanya biana memin debisano so. And a gentle reminder, those of you who don't like, watch, subscribe, sikane ba, minya, windibi. Please also endeavor to watch the videos without skipping. That will help me to generate a lot of money for my Christmas giveaway. Okay, thank you. Feel free to enjoy this with your rice, plantain, yam, or even drink it on its own. I chose fufu. Add more basil if available. Basil or basil, carissimi amici, e basilico. Clicca su mi piace e non dimenticare di iscriverti. Grazie. Now to our carbohydrate of choice. This is what abroche for call plantain fufu. Starch and corn. Please make your own fufu if you can. What? Me environment me anye bit so. If you want a detailed video on how plantain fufu is made, both the authentic way and the abroche or the store-bought way, no. Just go on my channel. I've got several recipes on fufu. So this video is not that detailed. The only thing I will draw your attention to is that before the fufu was cooked through or was ready, it was a bit white, right? But as time went on, it turned into yellow. I mean yellowish, just a little bit, because it's plantain fufu. I mean, that's what they are saying. It's so nice though. Do try it. If you haven't tried fufu and you want a detailed video, go on YouTube and search homemade fufu by Pretty Sarah. You're going to get this. But see, at this point, my fufu was ready. You do say because my pedriani. Let me also share with you that fufu can also be enjoyed with other types of soups, like peanut butter soup, palm nut soup, and various types of soup, rere, ebunu, and many more. This time I don't eat too much. Look at the portion. Portion control. Someone new. So this is how we mold it and we enjoy it in our sanka. You can use any plate of your choice, okay? Serve and enjoy, my dear. This soup a banger. A banger. The heat wasn't too much, but this one was for me, so I added some kubi, that pepper ne. Then I squeezed it. Me dismantle into the soup, and it was souping. This is a banger. Please don't forget to try this. Watch my videos, subscribe, share to your friends and family. Thank you so much for your support. Now, let me know what you think about this recipe.